How's it going, YouTube? It's Root Junkie here, and today's going to be a little PSA announcement when it comes to Amazon products. So you may or may not have heard this already, but the Amazon products that are supported and cheaper priced because of the ads on the lock screen, well, Amazon has decided to go ahead and remove the ads off the lock screen. Yeah, how cool is that? So let's go ahead and show you how this process is going to happen. So you're going to do is you're going to come in here to your settings of your phone that has Amazon ads on the lock screen, and you're going to go into security, and you're going to come here and toggle on unknown sources and hit OK. Alright, this is going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So we're going to come in here, and I went ahead and hosted the file here on my site. So basically, if we just refresh the page, it should be here, and I'll give you a link to this. You might be able to get this on Amazon's site. Honestly, I haven't looked, but I'm just gonna link it on mine. That way you've got it. So right here you see this Amazon offer. It's the first thing right here. You're gonna go ahead and say yeah to allow permissions from Chrome, and go ahead and install it. Hit open and click on the application Amazon offers and go ahead and install it. Alright, so once the install here has completed, you may have to do a reboot. I'm not sure. It may just function right off the get-go. Say done. Let's just go ahead and just see what happens here. Voila! Amazon offers are gone. It is that simple, and now the dumb lock screen thing is out of your phone. Now the phone still is got a lot of Amazon applications in it and things like that, but the ads on the lock screen are gone. Now the beauty of this is this works on all of their products. So go take the APK, install it on your product, whether you have the Moto G 4th Gen, you have, this is the Blue R1 HD, or I think the Moto E, Moto X, whatever you have that's Amazon ad supported, now you can remove the ads officially from Amazon. Hope you guys like this quick video. It's just basically a PSA letting you know how simple and easy it is to get rid of the Amazon ads on your product. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for more videos, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.